Oh, hello. Thank you for joining me for Veg with Lisa live. I'm Lisa. This is not an alien, although it may appear to be such. This is actually a vegetable, a veg. But before I get started, oh, it's going to be so painfully live. Tell me, hi, that you're here. Type in the comments. Let me know that you're here, that you can see me and that you can hear me. Otherwise, I'm just going to take my vegetables and go home. Oh gosh. Okay, so today is going to be a really special Veg with Lisa Live where I'm going to show you the easiest recipe ever. Oh, thank goodness. The easiest recipe ever. How to eat more veg. It's got two steps. The first is get the veg, check. The second is eat it. Oh, no, just kidding. We're not going to do that with this. But for real, we get all caught up. Leslie, oh, you're on live. Oh, welcome. So we get all caught up in, oh, I don't know how to cook this. I don't know how to cook that. What if you didn't have to cook anything? What if all you had to do was get it and eat it? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that today. By the way, does anybody know what this alien is? Isn't it cool? I got it at the farmer's market yesterday at the River Arts District Farmer's Market here in Asheville. I'm so lucky there's farmer's markets every day of the week. I'm waiting for somebody to type in the comments what this vegetable is. While you don't Google it, look at this one too. Isn't this cool? This is the same thing that I happen to get out of my garden. Red onion, red onion. I don't know what that is, Leslie, but guess again. Red onion. No, I've never heard of that. Look at this. These are the same thing. This is red. This is white or green. From the market, I grew this myself. Okay, let's get to cooking this. Cooking this. Let me show you. This, my friends, is a kohlrabi. So I love the farmers market so much. Oh, for crying out loud. There we go. I love the farmers market so much because even if you don't know what things are, or oh, Leslie says radish plus onion is a red onion. I love that. That is really clever and a great guess, but no, this is a kohlrabi. Even if you don't know what the vegetables are, you don't need to. They'll tell you what they are. So I was standing at this market stall and I had overheard the farmer talking about this really cool vegetable called a kohlrabi. And she was explaining that it's a member of the brassica family, the mustard family. Cabbage, cauliflower, mustard greens, all that really cool stuff. And then I heard her say that some of those we eat the leaves, like kale. Some of those brassica veggies, we eat the flower, like broccoli or cauliflower. And some, like kohlrabi, we eat the stem. Look, so this is the root, this is the stem, and these are the leaves. I just thought that was the cool. Cousin Mildred, do you have kohlrabi in your garden in Wales? I thought that was the coolest thing ever. So I'm like, okay, well, what do I do with kohlrabi? Well, and then I just thought to myself, well, you eat it, ding dong. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to eat a kohlrabi, any veg for that matter. You buy it, you procure it, you pick it out of your garden, and then you eat it. The skin is a little tough, so you probably don't want to eat the skin. You could use a vegetable peeler, which probably would have been a little bit smarter, but I like doing things manually with my hands and going old school. So you peel that tough skin off. That's what it looks like on the inside. Then you cut it into some little sticky things like this. I like a little squeeze of lemon juice and then a little sprinkle of salt. And because I like things a little bit spicy, I like just a little bit, hi Susan, sprinkle of chili, just a teeny bit. Oh, I knew I was going to get too much. Part two of this recipe. You eat it. Easiest recipe ever. Buy some veg, get some veg, grow some veg in your garden. Like this amazing kohlrabi. Actually, my mother bought me these kohlrabi plants that I planted in my garden. Look at what I grew. Mom, are you proud of me? And then you eat it. That's all there is to it. Thank you for joining me for Vegetable Season Live. Now go out and make the healthiest, easiest, bestest recipe ever. Get some veg and eat it. Now it's time to call Robbie for lunch. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.